Hi guys! So, may na-discover na naman akong iPhone hack or TikTok hack, whatever you wanna call it. Ideal to kung busy kayo, kumakain kayo, nagtutupi kayo, whatever you're doing, and then hindi nyo mahawakan yung phone nyo, but then at the same time, gusto nyo pa rin manood ng TikTok. So, eto guys, papakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan. Ito kayong TikTok. Next. Next. Next.
Random thing I got off
Back.
Amazon.
Back. 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 O, diba? Ang galing. So, let me know if you want tutorial. Baka kasi pagka tinuloy-tuloy ko yung tutorial, may magsabi na namang wala kaming pake. Yun lang. Bye!